When society's idea of what is right for you or what you should do goes against what your internal voice is expressing, it doesn't mean that you're automatically wrong, right? If you want to explore your options first, that makes sense. Now, a big part of living an intentional gap year is about remembering that you are your greatest guide to lead the way in your life. And one of the reasons why this is a lot easier said than done is because in the beginning, when we're still trying to validate the power of our own inner voice, it can be hard when we still feel like other people's opinions are more important or matter more than our own. So this is the question I would want you to ask yourself. If I trusted myself fully and I wasn't influenced by other people's opinions, what unconventional option would I like to explore in my life right now? And why is it so important to me that I do this sooner rather than later? When you connect to your reasons why, it's going to help you to communicate more clearly what your inner guide is urging you towards, so you're less likely to compromise your own desires in the presence of someone else's opinion.